time again. Yay! Unboxing time. Yes. Today we're going to be unboxing the awesome Google Home, which I call her the stepchild of Amazon Echo. She's the bloated version. You have this side here, you know, all the mumbo jumbo, you know, all of that stuff there. This stuff here. Top looks like that. Nothing fancy, so let's open her up. Fancy, right? So look, here's the box. Here's the box. Like I said, fancy. Looks nice. You pull this up, and voila! Here's the Google Home. Let's put that aside. We're putting that aside. Take this out. In here, tells you the steps. Gotta plug it in. You can download the app through the Google Play Store and the App Store to set everything up. You have all of that stuff right up in here. Then you have the charger, which the charger looks really nice. I think this charger looks really, really nice. See, look. Has the G for Google. Looks like that. Looks like that. It's very thick. So here's the top of it. These are the, you know, lights and stuff. It's gonna light up and everything when you turn it on. The bottom looks like that. That's where the charger will go. This, you do that. You can buy extra. You can buy extra of these, or you can buy like different colors to match your home. And these are the speakers. See? So yeah. And it just twists back on. See? It says Google. Well, you see the G. Stands for Google. Button right there. And this concludes the unboxing, of the Google Home. Later, once I get it all set up, I'll do a, you know, sort of review on this baby. Yeah, but it looks really nice. See, it looks like an air freshener, right, guys? Like I said, I call this the stepchild of Amazon Echo, the bloated virgin. Have a nice day, guys.